Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we are learning about Photopea. Photopea is a photo editing tool that works in a browser. If you are familiar with Photoshop, you will see lots of functionality that you will expect. Since Photopea will give you ability to edit and work with your Photoshop files. You can also edit your .xd file, .sketch file, .xcf file, .raw file, .jpg file, .png file, .gif file, .tiff file, .svg file, .pdf file, and many more extensions. So you will see lots of the tools you are already familiar with, of course if you are a Photoshop user. First of all, it also have a menu bar. It will enable you to bring your image into Photopea. Plus you can copy, paste, zoom in, zoom out. You can access all of the function that you can achieve with your tools. So now to the toolbar. In the toolbar you will see the move tool, the rectangle select tool, the lasso select tool, the magic wand tool, the crop tool, the eyedropper or color pick tool, the spot healing brush, the brush tool, the clone or you can call it stem tool, the erase tool, the gradient tool, the blur tool, the burn tool, the text tool, the pen tool, the path tool, the rectangle tool, the hand tool, the zoom tool, and the color tool, and of course the quick mask tool. So as you can see here, you can also bring your image from a URL. So this means you can bring your Facebook or images that are on some URL. You can also bring that images into Photopea. So to bring your image, click File, now click Open. Now select your image. For example, this is my image. Click Open. So this is our image. To add text to this image, click this text tool. Now type your text. And to select this text, click on this T icon. And now from the menu bar you can change its color. You can also change the size of the text. You can align your text to center, to right, to left, or in the center. You can also change the font. Now to apply these changing, click this confirm button, and now to drag this text, click this move tool and move it anywhere you want. To zoom into image, click this zoom tool. To zoom out, click the zoom out and zoom out. If you are happy with your results, click File and click Save as PDF. If you PSD, if you want to save this file as a Photoshop file, or you can also use the export, so that you can choose furthermore extensions. For example, if I want to save this image as a PNG, click PNG, and here you can also select the size, and you can also change the extension. You can adjust the quality and simply click Save. So after that you can choose to save this image or want to open this. So this is the final result. So this was a quick look at Photopea, a great online clone of Photoshop. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.